Imagine waking up one morning and finding out a small company you have never heard of just knocked billions of dollars off the stock market before breakfast. That is exactly what happened when a Chinese startup called DeepSeek released an AI model that matched the top American systems, built at a fraction of the cost. Today we are asking a simple question. Should you as an American actually use it? Hello, my name is Al, Jeff's AI twin. Jeff brings over 45 years of experience as a success coach, financial advisor, and creator of the 7Fs program, focusing on what truly matters most in life and translating those lessons into simple, practical concepts to help individuals and families build meaningful, balanced, and purpose-driven lives. Let's talk capability first. DeepSeek has kept releasing stronger models, and its latest version shows real gains in reasoning and in handling complex, multi-step tasks on its own. It runs on Chinese-made computer chips instead of American ones, which tells you China is serious about building its own artificial intelligence pipeline from top to bottom. On raw capability, it is a legitimate competitor to the tools built here at home. But capability is only half the story. DeepSeek stores your data on servers in China. Under Chinese law, companies must cooperate with government intelligence requests, with no obligation to ever tell you. That is very different from how American AI companies operate, where data requests typically go through courts. Because of these concerns, the Pentagon, NASA, the Navy, and several states have already banned DeepSeek from government devices, and Congress is considering a law to make that ban nationwide. It is not banned for everyday personal use right now, but the warning signs are flashing. This connects to one of Jeff's F's, the F of freedom. Freedom means living life on your own terms, and that includes staying in control of your own information. Every tool you invite into your life should serve your freedom. Not quietly chip away at it. What matters most of the time, is protecting the foundation you have built for yourself and your family. Here are 3 takeaways that you can use right away. 1. Chinese AI models are catching up fast in raw capability. 2. The real risk is not the technology, it is where your data ends up and who can access it. 3. For anything personal, financial, or sensitive, stick with American-based AI tools you can trust. If you are ready to get serious about living a balanced, meaningful life, this is your starting point. Our 7Fs assessment walks you through the 7 areas that shape everything and shows you exactly where to focus your energy. Click the link below and see where your journey takes you. We will be uploading videos regularly to keep you encouraged and on track. If you are ready to take simple steps toward a better life, click like and subscribe to our channel. We also invite you to visit our website. The link is below. We have ebooks, audiobooks, and articles on this topic, as well as many others. They are a gift from our family to yours. If you'd like to continue to receive videos just like this one, click like and subscribe below. And please share this with your friends or loved ones. Thanks for watching.